Good morning students. Today we are going to plot the points and we will identify in which quadrant or which axis they lie. Now let us take the first point, that is A is 5, 3. 5 is the x coordinate, that is also known as abscissa, and 3 is y coordinate, that is also known as ordinate, and together they are known as coordinates. So we take the coordinate of 5, 3. So we'll move towards, first we'll move towards x axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2 and 3. So this is the point A having the coordinates 5, 3. And as you can see, this is the first quadrant. So it lies in the first quadrant. So it lies in the first quadrant. Now let us take the second point, minus 4, 5. So we'll move toward x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and then comma 5, that is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is here. So this point will be considered as B and having the coordinates minus 4, 5. As you can see, it is in which quadrant? It is in second quadrant. So minus 4, 5 lies in second quadrant. And let us take the point minus 2, minus 4. So this point C, this is minus 2 and minus 4. This is minus 4 here. So minus 2 and minus 4. So this is C point, minus 2, minus 4. As you can see, this lies in third quadrant. This lies in third quadrant. Now let us take the point 4, minus 5. Now this is 4 and minus 5 will be here. This is minus 4 and this will be minus 5. So this point will be minus 4, it is 4, minus 5. And that is lying in the which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So this lies in fourth quadrant. Then we have 4, 0. 4, 0. Here this is abscissa and this is ordinate. So 4, 0 will be this point. 4, 0. So this point is E. This point was B. This point E is 4, 0. As you can see, it lies on which axis? X axis. It lies in X axis. Now 0, 4. This point will be 0 and here it will be 4. So this point 0, 4, this is the point E and it lies on which axis? It lies on Y axis. Now let's take the next point, that is minus 3, 0. Minus 3, this is minus 3, 0. So this G point is minus 3, 0. And as you can see, it lies on which axis? Again it lies on X axis. And now the final point H, that is 0, minus 3. So here the point will be 0, minus 3. This is the 0, minus 3. This is the last point, 0, minus 3. And it lies in which quadrant? Which axis? It lies in Y axis. So this is how we can plot the points and tell in which quadrant or axis they lie.